The next thing I'm going to show you is how to get some of the applications that you will use frequently on your dock where you can find them. Because this is your dock down here that keeps your frequently used stuff where you can see it. See, we've got Chrome on here now. But a lot of these applications you're not going to use all that frequently for schoolwork. So let me show you how to clean up your dock so you're not overwhelmed with stuff. If there's an application that you are not going to use, for example, like FaceTime, which you probably will not use on your computer very often, at least not in school, or the news app or the Apple TV, what you do is Control click. So hit the Control button, it's at the bottom left of your keyboard, and click on your mouse at the same time. Click Options, click Remove from Dock. Okay? Do the same with anything that you don't think you're going to use frequently. So Control click on the icon. Click Options and Remove from Dock. You're not removing it from your computer. You can still find it if you need it. But that means it's just not staring you in the face every time you're looking for an application. Just to keep your screen more uncluttered. I'm going to do the same with my maps. Control, click, Options, Remove from Dock. Okay. All right. So again, Control, click, Options, Remove from Dock. Okay. Now, let's say I'm also going to take my Note tab off because I don't use that. Control, click, Remove from Dock. Okay. And I'm going to take off Numbers. Which is Keynote, which is like PowerPoint. And Pages, which is the word processor, because at Bishop it's easier if you use the Microsoft versions. So we're going to take those away so they don't. Okay, now you're probably going to be using Microsoft Word fairly frequently. Certainly in English class you will be, to type and format your papers, to submit them, all that fun stuff. And in many of your classes, you might be using PowerPoint or other Microsoft applications. So let me show you how to find those so you can put them in your dock where you can find them. Again, either go to the search bar up here and type in what you want. I'm looking for Word. There it is, there's Word. And I'm going to open it. The first time you open it, it's going to give you this Get Started page, and you'll have to sign in again. So you'll type in your Bishop email. Okay, then you'll do your password when it shows up. And then it'll give you the activating screen. You only have to do this once. And you click Start Using Word. And you can see, again, because I've been using Word for a while, I've got all my stuff already here. But you want to keep Microsoft Word in your dock where you can see it. So, once you have it open, you're going to go down to the dock again. Remember, this is the dock. And you're going to Control click on the icon to get your, and then you're going to go to Options and click Keep in Dock. And then you can also drag anything in your dock around, so if you want Word over here where you can see it more easily, that's awesome. We'll put it there. Okay, and then to quit an application on a Mac that you've got open, you can go to the Word menu and click Quit Word. or you can also hit Command Q. See, so now we've quit it, but look, it's still in your dock, so we can open it easily again. Okay, I'll show you how to get PowerPoint and Excel because you may use those. Certainly you'll use PowerPoint. PowerPoint is the presentation software. Again, I just went to my magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen and I typed in what I wanted to find. And there it is. Double click to open it. Yay. And it bounces a while and takes a while to open. Most teachers will allow you to use Google Slides as well. So you don't need to feel like you have to use PowerPoint. And because you've already activated Word, everything's activated for you. So there it is, in case you need it. And again, you're going to click on the icon, Control click to right click, go to Options, and click Keep in Dock, so that it's there when you want it. And then I usually just drag it so it's next to Word so I can see it easily. Okay? And I'm going to drag Chrome over while I'm at it because that's something that I use pretty frequently. So that's how you kind of work with your dock and get everything where you need to be able to see it. Oh, also, I don't use Safari, I use Chrome, so I'm going to Control click and take Safari off my dock, but in order to do that, I have to quit it first. Okay, there we go. That's just kind of how you can organize your computer so that it is your own, and you only see what you need to see. Okay, I'm gonna quit PowerPoint. I hope that helps. See you next time.